Hey guys, this is Kristen at Cookin' in the County, and this week I'm bringing you a few things that you can make for Easter. So today I am doing a cinnamon roll that you could do for a breakfast. I did do some breakfast videos last week that you could use for Easter, but I thought I would bring a yummy cinnamon rolls, very quick, that you could make for your family for breakfast. So here's a list of ingredients you're gonna need to make this cinnamon roll.
You're gonna need 2 packages of active dry yeast, half a cup of warm water, 8 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 package 3.4 ounces of instant vanilla pudding mix, 2 cups of warm whole milk, 2 large eggs, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a half a cup of melted butter. For your filling, you'll need 2 cups of packed brown sugar and 4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. For the top, you'll need 3 cups of confectionery sugar, 6 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, to get started, we need a half a cup of warm water. And to this, we're going to add 2 packages of dry active yeast. Okay, now we need to add 8 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, we're adding our pudding mix. We'll need a half a cup of sugar. Two cups of milk that needs to be warmed up in the microwave. Warm it up for about a minute. Okay, it's just easier for me to add the half a cup of oil right to the warm milk, and we're gonna add our eggs to it as well and beat that all up, and we'll mix it all together in with our dry ingredients. Okay, and now our yeast is all good to go. So it's now time to mix it all up. Add your yeast mixture slowly. It's going to be a little bit messy, but that's okay. And now let's add our milk, egg, and oil mixture. It's a little sloppy, but you can get it done. Okay, just scrape down the sides. It's a real sticky dough, but that's okay. It's going to be a really good dough. Just make sure you oil your bowl really good, and I just put some oil on my fingers just so it wouldn't be too sticky, and kind of put it into a ball. It's really a great dough. I know it's sticky, but it's okay. Okay, cover it with some saran wrap and let it rise for at least an hour.
Okay, now that you know how to make your dough, it is still rising in my oven, in my proofer. So we're gonna make the filling right now. So we need 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. So let's get this together. Okay, 1 cup of brown sugar. Pack it in there good. This is gonna make 2 dozen cinnamon rolls. Okay, 1 cup. And 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. This is a half a teaspoon, so I'm gonna have to do 4. Just gonna mix that up a little bit. And we're gonna just melt some butter, and then we'll spread that all on the dough once we get it spread out. So this is simple for this. I'm gonna use my hands, it's easier. Once the dough is done proofing, I'll grab that and we'll get these cinnamon rolls put together and baked up. Can't wait to smell them. Okay, our dough is done proofing and it has doubled, just the way we want it. Gonna get a little bit of flour, we'll dust here. Okay, let's dust a little bit here. That's not even flour, it's called powdered sugar. Okay, we have flour now. Let's dust some flour here. You might hear a little dog barking. I say little, he's big. My daughter just got a puppy and he is very excited to play with my other dogs. Okay, let's get our dough. Oh, it is a little sticky, but that tells me that it's going to be a really nice dough. Okay. Up just a little bit so we can get it going. Okay, we're going to take this dough and just cut it in half. So off to the side just for now. Get this one rolled out. Beautiful dough. We're going to put half of this mixture in here. I'm going to melt some butter. Okay, I'm going to take some butter. Just spread that all across. All over. Okay, and we're going to take about half of this. We're going to sprinkle it all across. Okay. Okay, we're going to roll this as tightly as we can on the long side. Just roll it tight, tight, tight. As tight as you can. Roll it up. Okay, and I feel like these are going to be nice big size because we're going to get 12 out of this. Okay. Okay. See? Okay, so I measured this. This is 24 inches long. So they're going to be about 2 inches a piece. I mean, the best you can. I get very anal with this, so I really want them to all be the same size, so that's what I'm going to try to do. Make 2 dozen, so I'm going to use my big pan. You can use 2 9x13s if you want to. I'm going to spray it with some Baker's Joy, just so they don't stick. Okay. I kind of squished them a little bit, but I can fluff them back up here. These are going to be great size. Cinnamon and brown sugar. I feel like we could probably use a little bit more brown sugar. I'm gonna go get some. I'll write that in the comments to add just a little bit more brown sugar and a little bit more cinnamon. I might have put a little extra in the other one, but we want these really cinnamon and very sugary, because then they're just not fun. Okay. Now we're gonna roll this one up just as tight as we did the other one. Well, they're not all perfect, but they'll still be yummy. So we're gonna wrap these up and we are going to let them rise again for about 45 minutes. Only ended up with 22. Oh well. Oh, there's a little piece here. Doesn't have much stuff in it, but that's okay. We'll cook them. Some plastic wrap, and I'm going to spray this so it doesn't stick to the roll. Murphy, enough! Okay, we're gonna proof these again for 45 minutes. Okay, our rolls have been rising for 45 minutes. So we're now going to put them in a 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, our cinnamon rolls are all done. They look amazing, so we're gonna make a little bit of drizzle for the top. 1 cup of powdered sugar. Do a capful of vanilla. And then about 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. And let's just stir this up. And then we'll drizzle this all on top. Then we'll let them cool, and then you can enjoy them. Maybe not. Wait, definitely gonna need way more than 1 cup. If you want lots of icing on them, and I do. So we're gonna add 2 more powdered sugar. So 3 powdered sugars in all. Some more vanilla. Let's put the rest I have. I'm gonna get some more milk. Let's see how that works out. I feel like I might have browned these a little too much, but I can't imagine that they're not going to be delicious. There you go. Some delicious cinnamon rolls. Okay guys, hope you try it. Hope you love it. And if you are liking my videos, I hope that you would like to subscribe to my channel, click the little bell button so you know every single time I post a video, and give me a big fat thumbs up if you like my videos. Thanks guys.